my Gmade Komodo. This is my newest kit, and I thought it was time to do a build review. And since I've been doing updates on the upgrades I've been doing to my rigs recently, since I have already made a few upgrades to my Komodo, I thought I would combine my build review with my upgrade update. So one of the parts that I installed was the hot racing aluminum steering servo bracket. I also installed some Integy aluminum shock brackets. I went with the Hobbywing 1080 brushed ESC. This is my ESC of choice in all my rigs. And I've gone with a Holmes Hobbies Crawlmaster Expert brushed motor. An Animos 25 kg steering servo. I also installed the GT Power LED light controller. The Komodo Double cab body comes with the roll cage. The bumper, rear bumper, actually mounts to the body directly and then goes through the rear bumper mount and clips in with body clips underneath to keep the body clips hidden. Now up in the front, those posts are also the body mount posts, and they bolt through to the front grille and then slide into the front bumper where they mount and clip from underneath, also keeping the body clips away from view. Thing I added was some SSD rock sliders, and these are made for the SCX-10 II, but as you can see, they bolt right into the side plates. I also am using my SSD bead locks with the Komodo tires that come in the kit, which are very nice, very soft. The foams are reasonably stiff. I've had this truck out a couple of times, and so far pretty happy with the way the tires are working. So when I bought the kit, it came with a few upgrades in the kit directly from Gmade. That would be the metal steering link, panhard link, and also the metal balls for all the links. And when I bought the kit, I ordered all of the aluminum links directly from Gmade, which, by the way, incredibly great price for those links. $14 for the entire set. The bumpers that come with the kit are nice quality. The Komodo Double cab body comes with the rear roll bar, a lot of scale accessories like the rear view mirrors, the front grille. There's actually two options for the front grille. The light buckets that come with the body are excellent. Have 3 positions for a brake light, turn signal, and reverse light. And the fronts have a low beam, a high beam, and a turn signal as well. The masks come with masks for the headlights. It also comes with stickers that you can use for the clear headlight masks. The body also comes with masks for the rear brake lights and the light buckets in the back. Also included in the kit is a mask for the super large moonroof and a template in the back of the manual so that you can cut that out, lay it on the outside of the body, and get the mask laid out in the perfect spot. Nice added touch by Gmade. So overall, I think the truck is very nice. The plastics are of good quality. The build went very smooth. The instructions are laid out very well. And overall, it's a very nice truck. Very nice. And it has performed great. I recently made a video with the Komodo and the Element out at the same time, and was very impressed with how well the Komodo was keeping up and running the same exact lines as the Element was running. Thank you all for watching. We really appreciate it. Please check the links in the description for all the parts that are in my Komodo, and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It'll make you feel good. And be safe out there, everybody.